hao wajane, hao pia wapate kidogo.
Reaffirmed its commitment to maintaining hardship allowances for public servants working in remote and arid regions, offering relief to thousands of civil servants amid concerns over a potential policy review. Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Human Capital Development and Special Programs, Jeffrey Ruku, made the assurance during a high-level government visit to Nontonto, Samburu County, where he led a drought relief mission. His remarks come amid mounting anxiety among public servants following reports of a possible review of hardship allowances. Samburu, among other regions, continues to struggle with severe drought, insecurity, and chronic underdevelopment.
We have decided to hold on that report for now. We need to look at the report. We need to re-evaluate the report. We need to bring the stakeholders together and look at it keenly. And also bring all the elected leaders, all the stakeholders together so that we can look at this report before its implementation. The government of Kenya is committed in ensuring there is a participatory, inclusive type of leadership. And public participation is at the corner, is at the center of our constitution. Kwa hivyo, yale yote ambao we will implement as far as hardship allowances, other government, and all these will go through rigorous public participation of all the stakeholders, and until we agree that this is the way, that is the time we'll be able to implement any report which may interfere with the current situation of hardship allowances.
Well, that story of